Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your AR9485 Wi-Fi card on macOS Catalina, though this process will also work on macOS Mojave and High Sierra. I was able to fix mine by watching MacWin's video here on YouTube. I have posted the link to his video in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Now we will need the macWin.kext. The link to the zip will be in the description as well. In the zip, there will be 3 files, but you will only need the IO80211 family kext. Copy the kext and paste it at the path being displayed on the screen. Normally your EFI folder will be in the EFI partition and you will have to mount your EFI partition using Clover configurator. Mine is a bit different because I've installed my OS on an MBR drive. After that, simply reboot your system. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is working, but sometimes you might need to reconnect your Wi-Fi, as sometimes even though it shows that it is connected, nothing loads up and reconnecting fixes it. Another thing to note is that you might not get your full bandwidth, as I am getting almost 10 times lower speed on macOS as I normally get on the same laptop on Ubuntu. I hope this fix worked for you, and if it didn't work, I have posted links to some additional resources in the description. And feel free to ask any questions in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.